Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add text divider in WPBakery WordPress website. Here you can see this is my demo website. Let me log in. And after that, in the plugin sections, just you can install a plugin. And here you can get the plugin from the WPBakery.com official website. Here you can check the pricing. And I already installed. Let me show you. Okay, I have installed 7.5 version. Let me go to pages, then let me edit this page, and here you can see backend editor as well as front-end editor. You can use whatever you want. Then here you can see plus. Let me add a new row, then click on plus icon, and here you can see separator with text. Let's select this one. Then here you can add some text, for example WordPress web design services, and here you can also add icon. Then you can select the position left, right as well as center. Then this is for the separator alignment. Then you can select the color. So this is for the separator color. For example, I want to select pink color. Then you can select the style for the separator. For example, if you want to add dotted, just you can select this one. Then here you can select border width. Let me add 5 pixel. Then here you can select element width. Let me select 70%. And you can also add some animation. Okay, so these are the basic options. You can also add some spacing if required. Then click on preview, and here you can see there is a separator and text. Just you can update, and don't forget to save your changes. Okay.